Thousands of gay and straight people gathered in Cardiff's Butte Park this afternoon to sample the party atmosphere. Organisers hope this groundbreaking event for Wales will prove successful and popular.
It's basically all we want to do is celebrate diversity. There's lots of different diverse people within Cardiff, and we all come together and we just have a big party.
People from all over Wales and the West Country converged on the city for the giant party, which could become an annual event.
We very much hope to build on this next year and maybe even look to having a Wales Pride event, which could move around possibly like the Eisteddfod does.
A whole host of top-name acts were on hand to get the crowd into the party spirit.
It's nice to see the gay community, gays, lesbians, bisexuals, enjoying themselves out in the open in front of and along with heterosexual people.
It's about time Cardiff had its gay Mardi Gras, and it's happened and it's fab. It's lovely out there today. Everyone's there. It's a good turnout. It's fab. I love it. It's camp.
I think they should have it every year. I think they should also have the march. It's important to have the march, to walk through town to show everybody in Wales how strong the gay community is.
It's estimated up to 10,000 people will attend the event before the gates close later this evening.